Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinenye. This is another pattern making video, so let's get right into it, okay? First, I started by taking the length or height and also the width measurement. The length is 3.5 inches and the width is 11 inches. Also make sure you draw the center line by dividing the width into 2. That is 11 inches divided by 2 and we'll have 5.5 inches. From the instep region, I measured 2 inches upwards, which means the measurement of the pattern from the top to that line is 1.5 inches. Placing my measuring tape on the 1.5 inches line, I measured 0.1 inch to the right and to the left of the center line. Also, I placed my tape on the 3.5 inches line and marked 0.2 inch to the left and to the right. Then I used the ruler to join the two lines. This will give us a triangular shape like we see in the video. I made a freehand curve on the top of the triangle and I used a glue cover to create another curve on the instep region. Next, from the 1.5 inches line, I measured 0.3 inch upwards, and placing my tape on the center line, I measured 2 inches to the left and 2 inches to the right of the center line. Then I placed a curved object on the 2 inches line and drew a curve to meet the 0.3 inch line. I hope this is clear, guys. Please feel free to ask any questions, okay, if you have any. Next, placing my tape on the 3.5 inches line, I marked 0.5 inch downwards. I drew a line from the triangular curve to meet the 0.5 inch mark. I did this for both the right and the left side of the pattern. Lastly, I placed my tape on the 0.3 inch line, that is the line above the 1.5 inches line, and I marked 0.1 inch downwards. Then I drew a line from the curved parts of the 0.3 inch line to meet the 0.1 inch mark. Okay guys, it's time to cut out the pattern. But before cutting out, I placed a masking tape on the curved parts of the pattern because it is a small curve and I wouldn't want the pattern paper to tear, hence stabilizing it with masking tape. Guys, I need you to understand that this is a very easy pattern tutorial, okay? All you need to do is follow the steps like I did in the video so you don't get confused. Alright, I'm done cutting out the pattern here and this is what the pattern looks like on a shoe last. To complete this pattern, I measured a strap of 1.3 inches. Then I marked 0.1 inch on the top of the pattern and placed the strap on it using gum to hold it in place. Now this is what the complete pattern looks like, guys. I placed this on my shoe last and then on an inner sole to see how it looks. Please take note of the center line, guys. I'm satisfied with what I saw and I went ahead to remove the pattern. So I place it in a safe place and use it whenever I need it. Meanwhile, this pattern works well for size 43 and size 44. But like I said in my previous video, if you like to do a lesser size or a bigger size, you may need to increase or decrease the length and the width of the pattern. This is the end of today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you are yet to do so. And if you got value from this video, guys, consider sharing so that others may get to watch as well. Okay, also like and drop your opinion on the comment section so I get to hear from you. See you in another video.